wind's really starting to pick up now. Well, at least we're getting gusty conditions. This will all be manual as well, folks. Easy, son, easy. Fly it in, fly it in, flare it. Very shallow flare, nicely done. Here we go, here we go. Come on, son, get it down. Get it down, get it down. Nice. Neojet can be a little bit more of a handful than oh, easy, 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 easy. Decent. Coming in a little bit hotter than normal, I think. Maybe a few knots faster, I don't know. See that? There are easy. Now you see that dipping the left wing in there. That's standard operating procedures, really, or flying procedures, should I say? That's the